Making a mosaic can be a fun and creative project. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you make your own mosaic. Materials you'll need: base or surface. This can be anything like a wooden board, canvas, cardboard, or even a wall. Tiles or pieces. Traditional mosaics use small tiles, but you can also use broken pottery, glass, stones, or even buttons, shells, or beads. Adhesive. For tiles, use tile adhesive, thinset mortar, or craft glue for other materials. Grout. To fill in the gaps between your tiles and create a smooth finish. Tools. Tile cutters, if you need to cut tiles. Spatula or putty knife, for spreading adhesive and grout. Sponge and water, for cleaning excess grout. Ruler or pencil for marking your design. Steps to make a mosaic. Prepare your surface. Clean the base or surface you'll be working on to ensure it's smooth and dust-free. If you're working on a wooden surface, you might want to sand it lightly for better adhesion. Plan your design. You can sketch your design on paper first or draw it directly onto the surface. Simple geometric patterns, nature scenes, or abstract designs are all popular choices. You can also create a grid on the surface to help you place tiles evenly. Prepare your tiles. If you're using small tiles or pieces, make sure they are of the desired size and shape. You can use tile cutters to break larger tiles into smaller pieces if necessary. For more irregular materials, e.g., broken pottery, you might need to break them into manageable pieces using a hammer or a tile cutter. Adhere the pieces. Apply a thin layer of adhesive to a small section of the surface using a spatula or putty knife. Press the tiles or pieces into the adhesive, leaving small gaps between. Let the adhesive dry. Allow the adhesive to set according to the manufacturer's instructions. This usually takes several hours. Grouting. Once the adhesive is dry, prepare the grout, usually by mixing it with water until it reaches a thick paste-like consistency. Using a spatula or grout float, spread the grout over the surface, pressing it into the gaps between the tiles. Work in small sections to make sure you don't miss any areas. Clean excess grout. Once the grout has settled into the gaps, use a damp sponge to clean the surface of the tiles and remove any excess grout. Be careful not to pull grout out of the gaps between the tiles. Let the grout dry for about 20 to 30 minutes, then do a final cleaning with a soft cloth to make sure the tiles shine. Final touches. After the grout has fully dried, usually 24 hours, you can polish the tiles with a dry cloth to remove any remaining grout haze. If you want a shiny finish, some people apply a grout sealer to protect the surface from dirt and moisture.
نه من جوی نمیخوام تو بخور